What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2 Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, if you were aware of the last video, basically I'm going to hit the Nissan so we can take a look at the tie rod. Apparently it's bent, and so wasn't able to get my alignment done. So I'm going to hit the Nissan. I called him when I was at the alignment shop and made sure it was covered under the package. He didn't want to give 100% yes, but he said it should be since it's the gold package that I have. I just hope they don't say anything or try to say because I have the car lowered that there's going to be an issue. When I got the warranty, finance manager said that that wouldn't be an issue, and as long as it's not a component that directly related to it. So we'll see. But I know he might have been just trying to get a sale, but we'll see. I still have him as a contact as well, so I can reach out to him if there is any issues. But let's just go ahead and head on over to Nissan and see what's up. Alright, so I just got here, and the guy who was looking at the car said that he doesn't know if it was going to be covered because it's been lowered. And I told him what the finance manager told me when I got the plan. So he said he's going to talk to the service manager now, and we're going to go from there. So we will see. Also, looking at it, I feel like the rear looks like it's lower than usual. I'm wondering, let me see. Oh yeah, I don't have my key on me. I was gonna check. The brake shouldn't be making it that low, but yeah, I wonder why it looks so low in the back. Okay, so this one was pretty much a failed trip. So as soon as I pulled up, he said he was pretty sure it wasn't going to be covered due to the car being modified. Talked to his service manager and came back out and said, yeah, that's the case. I was told by the guy who sold the actual policy that it would be covered as long as the modification didn't lead to the specific issue. It didn't cause it or lead to it. And I looked up the paperwork and found it in the paperwork as well. So I called their consumer affairs department basically, and they're saying they're gonna basically escalate it to the regional consumer affairs representative, and they're gonna get in touch with Jenkins, and they're gonna call me by the end of business day tomorrow. So from there we'll kind of go by and see what the case is. Now, if they're gonna say that it's not covered because the car is modified, then I'm gonna request that money back for that warranty, because if they're not gonna cover anything with the car being modified, like, that was the whole plan of the car from the beginning, and I told them up front, and he still sold the plan. So if that's the case, they owe me that, what is it, $3,500 back or whatever it is. So we'll see. I'm not gonna end this video here because it'll be pretty short, so I'll probably just wait till tomorrow and then pick up the camera after I hear on exactly what's going on. So that might be the next clip, so stay tuned. Okay, so I just did an intro for this video, but I forgot this is a continuation of another video, so scratch that intro. But yeah, so what we're doing today, I've had a lot of back and forth with Nissan over the car. So basically what I found out, first off, I contacted the warranty department, and it got escalated to executive escalations, and basically it was kind of going over what was going on, why they denied the car right at front. They did verify that as long as the mod doesn't cause an issue, then it can definitely be covered by the warranty, so the warranty wasn't voided or anything like that. But what ended up happening is, after like a week and a half or so, they came back and said, oh, they stand by their decision, they're not going to do anything with the car. But in that time, while it was still being reviewed, the advisor advised for me to check with another dealer, see if they would do it. But while I was also looking at the warranty itself, I saw that it mentioned that if it was physical damage, that it wouldn't be covered. And so I'm thinking, okay, that's why it's not covered. Makes sense to me. So, but at this point, this is before they got back to me. I kind of wanted to still make sure that the warranty itself was avoided, just due to me being modified. So I was waiting for them to respond. I had a meeting scheduled to go have my car looked at a different dealership, but the day before is when they actually reached out to me and told me, oh, they still stood by their decision. I called the dealership and talked to management, kind of let them know, hey, they told me that if it was modified. Kind of went through that whole spiel with them, and then the manager was like, yes, that is true. If it's modified, it's not just going to be just turned away. So he wasn't sure why that happened, and but after kind of talking about the actual issue, he did go ahead and say, okay, well, this one won't be covered due to the physical damage. So I wasn't upset about that, and he did apologize for all the hassle and did advise that, yeah, they will be able to work on something like that if it was a defect. So warranty is still good. I am going through insurance to get the car repaired, so I'm actually about to go do that right now. Just getting the car. I'm gonna drive it over there, and they're gonna take a look at it, and we'll go from there. But yeah, I'll go ahead and pick up the camera again once we get on over there. But it was definitely a headache trying to get through all of that. But pulling out the paperwork, I did see the physical damage wouldn't have it covered, so that could have saved a lot of headache if I would have just looked at that at first instead of worrying about the warranty part. But at least I do know that the warranty will be covered going forward, so that's a good sign. And I have a contact, so if anything happens and they say that again, I know who to contact this time. Alright, so just got finished checking it in here. Yeah, so they are going to go ahead and work on it. They were a little worried about the suspension, of course. They're saying they might not be able to do everything they need and might have to go to another shop for that, which that was the main thing I told the insurance company about, was the suspension. But they said to come here, and now they might have an issue working on the suspension. So they said they'll let me know by Monday probably what the status is going to be, what they're going to do, if we have to go to another shop or what the case is. So fingers crossed. Alright, yeah, so got the car dropped off, everything's situated. Probably, I don't know, maybe not the next video, because I think the next video I'm going to be announcing the merch release, basically when it goes live. So, but the video after that might be going over an update on the car. I don't know, either that, or let me know if you guys are interested in, no, I'm not gonna do it. It's a Chevy. I'm not too worried about it. I ain't gonna do a review on that car, but not just because it's Chevy, but because it's just a Malibu and I'm not too fond of it. But yeah, so I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. I know I could have easily just got it fixed out of pocket, because the part itself isn't too expensive, and I know Speedy Zone would have hooked me up on getting it installed and everything, but there's a few other things I did want to get taken, have them take a look at as well. So that's why I decided to go through the insurance, and yeah, so hopefully the car, everything will be situated when that's all done. But yeah, I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, have a good one. Peace.